Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have yet another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be for my folks who do not want to be in the healthcare field, that don't actually mind customer service and phone work. The company Fanatics is hiring a customer support associate. Now, this is remote for the United States, but they are paying very, very well, $20 to $25 an hour, which is great pay for customer service. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below. If you don't know, Fanatics is a company that works in the industry of collectibles and technology. So really think you're a fan of a brand or a thing. They are looking for a customer service person to be the liaison between the Fanatics collectibles and the consumers by supporting all the inquiries and issues. You'll model exemplary service through telephone, email, and direct mail channels. You'll have to delight the customers by applying good judgment on a case-by-case basis, expediting any resolutions, and following up to make sure that they are satisfied with the solution. So you will be building and maintaining relationships with these repeat customers. Now, they require someone who has a positive attitude, who is consumer minded, and has a passion to serve. Someone who has a general knowledge of trading cards or collectible industry. Someone who has great problem solving skills, can have great attention to detail, and of course you have to have those great communication skills. They do ask that you be willing to work flexible hours, including some evenings and weekends. Again, they pay $20 to $25 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.